ผู้พระ
Jeng duwai shwa ban Pule ya jingriewblei. Blei be isne to pensle yang da omen sim bakoi jome katba ngadang Pule ya ktien ka jome ai ba ngan yo sngew ya kasur jome kapapasiaw ha kamen sim jonga ai yang ka jingstan ban sngew tho ya ka kubor bami ai yang ai ba ka ktien ka jome kan long jingkemen ya ka donot jonga bat ka syarang ya ki kejar jonga ai yang ka bor bante ya ka jingem jonga halor ka ktien jome tu ai ba ki ba ro kin long hanga kat kum ka ktien jome dan kemen yang banga yo sngew ya ka ktien jome bat ba anri ndong ya ka keren kutrai ngashakri jome ngasnap blei shibun jisu ya ro ya me jisu
Kajing Pule naga gospel bakut kat kum ulukas. Kalenong kaba arpeu kadekot arpeu nyel ter hadu saupeu. Shaphang ka jingmihpat na ka jingiap. Kato kat nyingut kisadusi kilawan jauh jisu. Ini kide kibaong ba dan jingmihpat. Lakali ya konong hikai. Moses ulap tha egi kumne ada ubriu uyap bat ino ka tengah hendrai klem kun bara jungu dei ban chim tengah ya kata kariu kentai nang ban ai kun jala ummen sisin ladon nyamut bara banengkong ulaya lok bat ulaya klem kun ubabut ula sim tengah ya kata kariu kentai bat nang ta sa ubalai Kalajia kaju habaro nyungut layap klem kun ha kabakun kata kariu kentei ru kalayam mentah ha kasngi bagi bayap kimipan kalong ka tengah jongno namar nyungut kide tengah yaka jisu ula jubab yaki shinrang ki kentei ha kane kapertei ki apoi kha poiman hendrai ki shinrang berki kentei ibadawab ban mipat na ka jingiap bat ban im ha ka bertai ka batsawan im ya poika ilong kum ki angel imla ban yap ilong ki kun blei namar ilong ki kun jong ka jingmihpat Moses ulapin sabun bagi bayap jingmihpat ha ka jintho Shaphang kalau bnia bame ulakot ya utrai ublei u Abraham Blei u Ishak, bat blei u Jacob. Ane kamut baulong ublei jong kibaim. Om jong kibayap namar baro kiim hau. Dan kistat an kibalakren kajubab kabadai ko nong hikai. Kim shim nut di jingkeli shu yau. A gospel Jowai.
Some of the Sadducees, who say there is no resurrection, came to Jesus with a question. "Teacher," they said, "Moses wrote for us that if a man's brother dies and leaves a wife but no children, the man must marry the widow and raise up offspring for his brother. Now there were 7 brothers. The first one married a woman and died childless. The second and then the third married her. And in the same way the 7 died, leaving no children. Finally, the woman died too. Now then, at the resurrection, whose wife will she be, since the 7 were married to her?" Jesus replied, "The people of this age marry and are given in marriage. But those who are considered worthy of taking part in the age to come and in the resurrection from the dead will neither marry nor be given in marriage. And they can no longer die. For they are like the angels. They are God's children, since they are children of the resurrection. But in the account of the burning bush, even Moses showed that the dead rise, for he calls the Lord the God of Abraham and the God of Isaac and the God of Jacob. He is not the God of the dead, but of the living, for to him all are alive." Some of the teachers of the law responded, "Well said, teacher." And no one dared to ask him any more questions.
Jingiap yame kukres.